Checking out my Newair 5600 watt garage heater. Now this is different than most other garage heaters, so let's look at the special features. So a typical household space heater might only give you 1500 watts, where this one's all the way up at 5600 watts. Just to clarify, you wouldn't use this in the house. This is strictly for garage or shop spaces, but it throws out a lot of heat. The amp draw on this unit is 23.5 amps, and the plug end looks like that, which is included with the heater. And that's rated for 30 amps. Now typically you'd run this on a 30 amp breaker, but of course consult with an electrician to make sure that's what you need for your application. At almost 15 pounds, this unit is stout, but still plenty portable around the shop. As with any space heater, there are setback requirements, and this one should stay at least 3 feet away from other objects. It may seem like a minor negative to only have a 6-foot cord, but I imagine that's code driven. That's probably the longest length that they could provide with this particular heater. The controls are really simple on this one, and there's no remote control to contend with, so just flip it to on or auto for the fan switch, power light there in the middle, and a simple dial to control your heat output. And maybe most important of all, it's actually UL listed for Canadian and US markets. Okay, so the switch we have on auto, and we'll turn the dial up to crank the fan on a little bit and get some heat going. So you'll normally run this just by setting it on the shop floor, and it throws out a nice amount of heat. I was expecting the coils in there to glow red like a toaster, but it doesn't look like it works that way, but I'm surprised with the amount of heat it puts out, so really makes your shop space a lot more comfortable. And I was pleasantly surprised that the outside shell of this heater stays cool to the touch. Or you can run the knob down a bit, and as long as the switch is on auto, that'll come on and off intermittently to keep good heat going in your shop. And when you're done heating your shop for the day and you've given the unit a chance to cool down, there's a nice cord winder right on top. So if you're in the market for a nice garage heater, but you don't want to be tied in to a permanent installation or hardwiring it, this Newair 5600 watt is a great choice.